So something that people don't often know is that massages aren't just a tool to make you feel better, but they are actually a pretty important tool in the recovery process to keep and help your joints stay healthy. So that's what we're going to talk about today. It's how to keep your joints healthy with a massage gun. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I would like to recommend would be to actually massage the surrounding muscles around joints. It's important to know kind of where your joints are and what joints are hurting. So simple examples would be like your knee or your elbow or your wrist or your ankle. You know what I mean? Those are these primary joints that I feel like get injured and get hurt. So it's important to massage the surrounding muscles around these because these are what actually helps move the joints and helps like support these joints. So if you massage the surrounding muscles of these areas that keep your joints intact, then effectively you are also keeping your joints healthy. So that would be kind of the first area I would like to target. It would be the surrounding muscles to these joint areas. So for your knees, for example, you would want to target your quadriceps and also your hamstrings, keeping these loose and healthy and elastic and within the range of motion will keep your joints healthy. You can do this with several different ways. You could do it with just running your massage gun up and down the muscle, or you can do circular massage motions to kind of focus on areas of tightness, or you can do cross-frictional massages to kind of go perpendicularly on the muscle body. And it's important to kind of experiment with these. Whichever gives you the most pain relief will probably benefit you the most. I have several other videos talking about specifics of like cross-friction massage and stuff like that. So check those out if you are interested. But whatever you do, just make sure you are massaging your muscles every day, preferably after training as part of your recovery cycle to keep these muscles healthy so your joints will stay healthy. Next thing I want to talk about is actually massaging the joint itself, because you can get a lot of benefit from massaging your tendons and your ligaments because these often don't have that big of a blood flow supply. So what you're doing when you're massage gunning, like for example, your patellar tendon, you're actually supplying a lot of blood flow to these areas that don't get a lot of blood, which is helpful for recovery and, just overall everyday maintenance. This also helps reduce tension in a lot of ligaments and tendons that accumulate a lot of tightness, and that can also help prevent a lot of injuries in the future as well. What I would recommend is to go on a light sitting with your massage gun and be kind of gentle at first, because tendons and ligaments have varying amounts of, pliability, so we don't want to be too forceful. We want to kind of be gentle at first until we understand how much of a situation our joints or our tendons are in. And then we can kind of up the pressure or the intensity of our massage gun if it feels like we need more pain relief or it feels like the lighter setting isn't getting the job done. The third and final thing I would recommend would be to continue doing your actual rehabilitational exercises on the side. Chances are, if you are an athlete or you are, constantly doing things for your body and maybe you've been injured before or something like that, chances are maybe you've seen a physical therapist and you kind of know a general sense of what exercises to do. If you don't know and maybe you have knee pain or something like that, a quick YouTube search or a Google search will bring you a list of exercises that might help you. So that's what I'd recommend. Do some rehab on the side every day to help keep your muscles strong while also doing the massage gun recovery exercises on the side as well. It's the combination of these things that will help keep your joints healthy for the long term. It's not just one or the other. You got to do both as well. So that's what I would recommend. Quick recap is to massage the surrounding muscles around the joints that it feels like you have some instability or weakness. That will help recover your muscles, but to also massage the joints themselves, because these joints can get tight as well and they can get a lot of pain as well. So it's important to target these areas of your body where it feels like you are weak. And then always keep doing your rehabilitational exercises on the side. These are important. Massage guns shouldn't be a substitute for these things. So obviously your injury or weakness might vary per person, and what you might be going through might vary based on the type of sport you are in or your everyday kind of use of your body. So it's important to keep an open mind and adapt depending on the type of pain you are feeling. I'll go ahead and get into a quick example. Oftentimes I would have pain in my Achilles tendon. It kind of flares up in the form of Achilles tendonitis. So what I personally like to do is I like to not only massage the surrounding muscles by massaging my gastrocs and my soleus, which are my calf muscles, making sure that these aren't too tight, usually helps my Achilles tendonitis. I also like to massage the shin. There is a muscle on the front of my shin called the tibialis anterior, and this oftentimes flares up and can work in opposition to the back calf muscles. So it's important to massage again this muscle as well. And then massaging the joint itself, the Achilles tendon is kind of an exposed tendon. So you can take one of the massage gun heads and release that one as well. And this is how I like to maintain my joints to keep them healthy. Just a quick example of how I like to use it so you can get kind of a sense of what I am talking about. So anyways, hopefully this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and make sure you guys keep up with your massages and your exercises to help heal your joints and recover your joints and keep them healthy in the long term. If you like this video, please go ahead and like the video down below, subscribe to this channel for future videos, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.